Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to log in into your account in Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log in into your account in Twitch, you just simply have to open the application at first, and after opening the application, you will directly get the option of login. Now you just simply have to tap into login button into the bottom left corner, and from there you will get the option of username and password. Now you just simply have to enter your username at first, and after that enter your password at the second. Let me do this process real quick. And after tapping into logging, you will get the option to verify your email address. You can also skip this process. This way you can easily log in to your Twitch account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.